So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-send ng files or documents sa ating Viber app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Viber account or yung ating Viber app. And pagka-open guys, mag-open lang kayo or pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation na kung saan gusto nyo mag-send ng files or documents. So, tap nyo lang yung conversation. And then, pagka-open guys ng conversation, itap nyo lang itong plus or add button na nandito sa my message. And then, may magpo-pop up ng mga options guys. Piliin nyo lang dito yung file. And after yan guys, pwede na kayo ditong pumili sa inyong phone or sa inyong device ng files or documents na gusto nyo isend. So, make sure guys na alam nyo kung saan nakasave yung files ninyo para madali mo siyang makikita. So, ayan guys, ito yung document na isasend ko. Tap nyo lang yung specific document na yon and automatic guys, once na tinap nyo, magsisend na agad yung document dito sa ating Viber app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-send ng files or documents sa ating Viber. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.